Hello, kids! Welcome back to our story time. Today, I will tell you a story about a clever rat and a hungry cat. One day, a hungry cat was walking slowly near an old house, looking for something to eat. Suddenly, the cat saw a little rat coming out of a small hole in the wall. The cat quickly jumped and blocked the rat's way. The little rat was very scared, but it started thinking quickly. Then the rat said, "Oh, dear cat, please don't eat me. I am very small, and I will not fill your stomach." The rat continued, "If you let me go today, I promise I will bring you more food tomorrow." The greedy cat thought about it for a moment. Finally, the cat said, "All right, I will let you go today, but you must come back tomorrow with food." The clever rat quickly ran into the hole in the wall and disappeared. The cat waited and waited for the rat to return, but the rat never came back again. The cat realized it had been tricked, and from that day, the cat learned an important lesson. The moral of the story is, never trust promises made just to escape danger. I hope you enjoyed this story. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun stories. Thank you for watching. See you in the next story.